Bo and Christy hide 600 raisins. This is 60% more than they had last month. How many raisins did they have last month? It sounds very similar to the last two problems, right?
Sure.
The difference. Here's the word percent. What follows the word percent?
More.
More. Okay, now this time it's not percent of, it's percent more. It could also say percent less. This makes it a different kind of percent problem, and you have to tackle it differently. All right? Anytime you see a percent more or percent less, treat it as a before-after situation. We're still going to get percent and actual number. All right. So here's how you handle before and after. There's 1,000 different ways you can handle before and after. This is going to be the easiest way. Okay? And listen very carefully to these words because people are going to mess up, and it happens every year. Because people don't listen to me right now and they mess up. I can't make you listen. So anyway. Anytime you have a percent more or percent less, before is always 100%. You put 100% on before every single time. The after is 60% more. So after is going to be 160%. I add 60% to 100 because it's more. All right? If it said 60% less, it would have been 40 for after because I would take 60% away from 100. So be careful of that. Percent more, percent less. It's going to be 100 to start off with. The after is going to be affected by this much. More is add, less is subtract from 100. The next thing they have to do is figure out the actual month they're giving us. They hide 600 raisins. This is 60% more than they hid last month. Okay, so we have now, and we have last month. Which is before?
Last month.
Last month, and which is after?
600 raisins.
After is now, right?
Yeah.
So what they hide now is 60% more than they hid last month. This is before, this is after. So we don't know how many before, we do know how many after. The only way you can mess up these problems is to put things in the wrong place, or you don't listen to me and you put 60 right there instead of 160. I can't make you listen, but that's how you do it. All right. So once we get all of our stuff filled in properly, then we just get this fraction 100 over 160 is equal to x over 600. And again, reducing if possible. Does everybody see that those zeros go away? In addition, 10 over 16 reduces to 5 over 8. You see that okay? If I cross multiply at this moment, I get 8x for that product equals 3,000 for that product. 5 times 600 is 3,000, 8 times x, 8x. Divide both sides by 8. That leaves me with x equals 375 raisins. Again, percent of, part whole, percent more or less, before, after. Make sure you handle it properly based on what it tells you.